We begin this week on the 9th from the Seminary Street Bridge, where M337 is arriving, with ST70M-2 8913 leading, an ES44DC, ES44AC, and Illinois Central GP38-2 9603. The following day, I called L561 performing work that I had been itching to see. They were servicing Aetna Building Solutions on the Rockford East Belt. The spur to Aetna crosses 11th Street, and in the 20 months I've been living in Rockford, I've only seen a car spotted here 3 times. After they cross 11th Street, you'll see a switch stand on the other side of the road that is of Milwaukee Road heritage. After retrieving the boxcar in a move that only took 4 minutes, they returned to the Freeport sub main. As this trackage is rarely used, note how the trees overhang the rails in this area. In my opinion, this move was extra special because L561 had no further work on the belt. This meant that 9600's east-facing short hood was visible during its trip. When servicing more frequent customers such as J.L. Clark Plastics or International Paper, eastward-facing motors will shove down the belt and then lead out long hood forward. The following day's M337 had a Ferromex ES44AC trailing. G887, a set of grain empties, had been attached to the end.